Hey there, viewers. Pineapples are not only delicious but also packed with health-boosting compounds. In today's video, we'll explore the impressive health benefits of pineapple. Do they help your body fight diseases? Can they really prevent cancer? Can they provide relief from arthritis? Do they aid in recovery after exercise? We'll discuss all of this and more. 1. Helps fight diseases. Pineapples are packed with antioxidants, making them both delicious and nutritious. This fruit is rich in flavonoids and phenolic acids. But why is this important? Flavonoids protect your body against stressors and everyday toxins, ensuring optimal function. Phenolic acids are absorbed through the intestinal walls and help reduce inflammation, which means fewer chronic aches and pains. Wonderful, right? Antioxidants in pineapples combat chronic inflammation, resulting in a stronger immune system and less frequent illness. They also contribute to an anti-aging effect, so if you want to stay youthful and radiant, consuming antioxidant-rich foods like pineapples is key. Additionally, the antioxidants in pineapples can endure tough conditions, meaning they remain effective in your body for longer periods. Do you consume a lot of antioxidant-rich foods? Are you a fan of blueberries and pineapples? 2. Great for digestion. Freshly cut pineapple is delicious on its own. Just sprinkle a pinch of black salt over it and enjoy it as a dessert. You can also barbecue pineapple slices, they taste amazing. Serve them with barbecued cottage cheese and bell pepper to impress your guests. Make sure to eat pineapple whenever you can. Why? Because this refreshing fruit is great for your stomach troubles. Pineapples contain bromelain, which boosts digestion by helping break down proteins into smaller compounds. This makes it easier for your small intestine to digest them. If your pancreas isn't producing enough digestive enzymes, eating pineapple daily can be beneficial. This isn't just hearsay, science supports this claim. A study showed that patients with pancreatic problems experienced better digestion when they took a supplement containing bromelain. 3. Reduces the risk of cancer. Pineapples are packed with, yes, you guessed it, antioxidants. These antioxidants are particularly effective in reducing your risk of cancer. How? Antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in your body, which is the damage caused to your cells by pollution, aging, and even the sun. By minimizing oxidative stress, inflammation in your body decreases. Bromelain, the key enzyme in pineapples, plays a crucial role here. Studies have shown that bromelain helps kill off breast cancer cells and even stops the growth of breast cancer tumors. Various other test tube studies have indicated that bromelain can also target and eliminate cancer cells in the colon and skin. Still doubting the power of pineapples? Research on bromelain has demonstrated that it strengthens your body's immune system by producing more powerful white blood cells to fight off cancer cells. 4. Eases symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis can be a very challenging illness, significantly impacting your overall quality of life. While it commonly affects older individuals, younger people can also develop it. Arthritis involves inflammation in the joints, making movement and daily activities difficult. Pineapples can help relieve inflammation in your joints and bones. What does science say about this? Numerous studies have shown that bromelain, found in pineapples, is very effective for rheumatoid arthritis. Recent research indicates that taking bromelain supplements daily can significantly reduce pain and discomfort in patients, showing effects comparable to some medications. For those suffering from osteoarthritis, bromelain can provide short-term pain relief. To incorporate pineapple into your diet, eat it daily. If you get bored, mix things up by adding other fruits to make a salad and drizzle organic, unheated honey on top. You can also make a fruit parfait with a generous amount of yogurt, ensuring you add pineapple pieces. A pineapple smoothie is another delicious option. 5. Boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Is bromelain all that pineapple has to offer? Absolutely not. Pineapples are packed with a variety of vitamins and minerals, all of which positively impact your metabolism and immunity. These nutrients also significantly reduce the chances of inflammation. Experts have found that eating pineapples boosts white blood cell production in your body. A study among children showed that those who ate lots of pineapples had 4 times the white blood cells compared to those who didn't. And as you might know, white blood cells are crucial for fighting off infections. Another study demonstrated that children who took bromelain supplements recovered from sinus infections faster than those who didn't. Additionally, research points to evidence that bromelain effectively reduces inflammation. 6. Helps you recover after exercise and surgery. Looking to speed up your post-op recovery or enhance your gym performance? Whatever your goal, we recommend eating lots of pineapples. They're excellent for the quick recovery of sore muscles and are especially beneficial for those recovering from surgery. This is where bromelain comes in. Studies have shown that bromelain reduces post-surgery inflammation. For instance, one study focused on individuals who underwent dental surgery. Those who took bromelain experienced less discomfort compared to those who didn't, and they reported less pain, resulting in a happier recovery. Bromelain has been found to be as effective as regular medicines used to treat inflammation, which is promising. You don't need surgery to benefit from pineapples. They are low-calorie fruits that aid in weight loss, with 100 grams of freshly cut pineapple providing just 50 calories, making them an excellent post-exercise recovery food. People who engage in strenuous exercises are at a higher risk of muscle tissue damage and subsequent inflammation. However, eating pineapple provides a healthy dose of bromelain, which soothes muscles, reduces inflammation, and alleviates soreness. Thanks to bromelain, you won't feel sore 3 days after your leg or arm workout. Research supports these benefits. Studies have shown that bromelain increases endurance and stamina, with participants who took bromelain maintaining their strength even after 45 minutes on the treadmill. 7. Full of nutrients. You can enjoy this delicious fruit in moderate amounts without an ounce of guilt. We recommend moderation because pineapple can be a bit harsh on your mouth due to bromelain, an enzyme that digests protein. When you consume too much, it can start to break down the protein in your mouth as well. Besides bromelain, pineapples are packed with a generous supply of vitamin C, manganese, and protein. They are also rich in fiber and contain small amounts of vitamins A and K, as well as zinc and calcium. Additionally, pineapples provide vitamin B6, thiamine, copper, and folate. Vitamin C is crucial for strengthening your immune system and helps your body absorb iron from the food you eat. Manganese is essential for body growth, increasing metabolism, and improving digestion. 8. Easy to add to your diet. Unlike other seasonal fruits, pineapples are available all year round. Ideally, you should eat them fresh, but I know how tricky it can be to cut a pineapple. You can opt for canned pineapple as well, just make sure to read the label thoroughly. Pineapple pizza might not be everyone's favorite, but pineapple chicken is delicious. You can also top your oatmeal bowl with pineapple and frozen berries, or blend pineapple, strawberries, and yogurt to make a tasty breakfast smoothie. My favorite way to enjoy pineapple is to sauté it with bell peppers. Add cherry tomatoes and serve with feta cheese, it's amazing. Pineapple is just one fruit, but it offers so many benefits. Imagine how great you'd feel if you ate a bowl of fruit salad every day. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.